I know investment can be very difficult, especially if you're a beginner and you don't want to lose a lot of money in the stock market. So that's why I'm going to bring you 8 simple ways for you to earn dividend in a stable way so that as a beginner you can still thrive quickly. 嗱，咁其實過往 Hello, 大家好, welcome to my channel. I'm a YouTuber from Hong Kong and I am an ex-founder of a fintech company. So today I'm going to bring you the 8 simple ways that along my journey, I still think investing in stock can be very dangerous, especially for a beginner if you're inexperienced and you also struggle after watching so many different videos on YouTube and you don't know where to start. I think this video will be particularly suitable for you because I'm going to bring you the infrastructure of the 8 ways that you can actually earn a lot of money. If you would love to receive more information about personal finance, please feel free to subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up. Let's start. 第一個方法 invest in dividend stocks. A lot of you may know investing in a stock means that I'm going to buy a share from that company. If I trust that company, they are going to thrive in the future. They are going to have better performance, sell a lot more products to the world, is on the rise. That's why we consider most of these companies growth stocks because they will grow and they should grow, okay? On the other hand, some of the companies, they want to send out some dividend to you so that they can collect more money from the public to fund the operation of their company. The advantage of having dividend investing is that you may expect the stock price may grow, but at the same time, you can earn dividend for a month. And just I want to tell you a secret, actually this company, they give out dividends every year. We can call them aristocrats. 第二個方法, the second method is invest in REITs. Instead of receiving rent from buying a house, actually we can invest in real estate investment trusts. So in this way, you don't need to prepare a large sum of capital. Instead of it, you can just prepare a small sum of money and invest in those kind of maybe funds or ETFs. There is a stipulation that they must send 90% of their profit to the public. So that's why we can earn dividend monthly. But you should remember that there is no stipulation that the stock price must go up. As you can see, the historical high is 160 something. But the lowest price is 34 only. That's why I always advise the others not to listen to others' opinion, especially when they say,
"There's no way to lose in dividend investing."
And now I'm showing you how. 第三個方法, invest in funds. Simply putting, fund is aggregation of different stocks. So that's why by investing in funds, actually you can lower the risk of owning one certain stocks. If the price of certain stock goes up or goes down, actually it doesn't really affect that much to the fund. Maybe that fund actually consists of more than 100 stocks. So this is possible. For instance, you can see from the record that they are going to distribute you dividend every month. The fourth way is to ask your bank for money. Consider saving your cash in the bank for a longer term, so that's why they can give you time deposit rate. This is one of the best methods because you can be sure that you can get your capital back. At the same time, you can earn some interest from the bank. So don't expect that that interest rate will be very, very high. Usually it's like 2 maybe to 4% given that it's inflation period. But for time deposit, actually you can be very playful about that. For example, like you can save a sum of money every month so that after a year you can expect that there will be one time deposit to be expired so that you can get your capital and interest back every month. The fifth way is invest in cryptocurrency. But I'm not saying that you should invest in crypto coin in a very, very risky way. Instead of it, think of stable coins. Actually facilitates the run of different coins on the platform. The way you earn money from the stable coins is actually very similar to the concept of putting your money into the banks. But I need to remind you that this is not regulated. But if you convert some of the dollars into stable coins and then save it, you can earn like 2 to 10% depending on the coins. Number 6, invest in money market fund. I think in general, this is so underrated across the whole YouTube landscape. I don't know the reason why it is not so well known, but actually in the money world, a lot of institutions, they are going to buy money market fund because they can earn dividend in a very stable way, also daily. So I'm not talking about like you can earn dividend monthly. Instead of it, you can receive your interest every day, every day, every day. The principle of MMF is for those big institutions, they aggregated a big sum of money, right? And then they're going to help you to invest in those rather stable, like treasury bond that you can expect they are issued from government or super big institutions. The advantage of investing in MMF is that you can enjoy a rather flexible period of saving instead of like time deposit. You don't need to save that money for a long time. Before we continue, it would be so lovely to receive your comments below. So far, we have gone through 5 methods. Which one do you like the most? Why? Do comment and let me know. Number 7, consider annuity. So annuity is usually issued by different insurance companies or even banks. They will give you contracts on different terms. Usually they help you to invest in the products that I mentioned before to earn dividend, but at the same time they may also help you to buy individual stocks like the growth stocks so that when they earn, they can share with you some of the profits that they made. I think annuity is particularly designed for elderly like or senior citizens. There are so many different forms of annuity, and I think these products are updated maybe quarterly. So this is something that you must consult your own sales representatives in order to buy these products. Speaking of that, you may also consult your own bank to see the option of doing reverse mortgage. Reverse mortgage means that if you own a property like a real estate, you can remortgage it and then get monthly funds. It is perceived as a very good way for those couples or like people, they don't have children and they don't want to leave the house to anyone. This is a way for them to slowly giving back the shares of that real estate to the banks. So that's why a bank will issue them money monthly. Among all the methods that I've mentioned, which one do you like the most? Feel free to comment below, and thank you for supporting my first video. Remember to subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up. See you next time!